Okay, so there used to be a railroad line that went through here. And now there's an old train bridge that is closed off. But I've seen pictures of it, so I'm gonna ride across it. Some old railroad ties in here. Uh-oh. Locked. Luckily, these fences are never long. Nice. Woo! Oh man. I don't even like walking on this part. Cool. All that wood down there is pretty inspiring. Cheers. Yikes. I don't know if you can see it. It says 5G Corona. Wonder what that's about. Oh, that one scared me. Jesus. This is sketchier than I realized. Wow. These are very rotted out. It's a pretty big drop through there. Let's give her a rip. Oh man. Why does this feel, oh Jesus. Why does this feel like the most dangerous thing I've ever done? Oh wow, these boards are, oh geez. Oh. This is the most nervous I've been on a bike in quite a while. Oh. Dude, these boards are really horrendous. Oh. Oh God, this is so scary. Oh, there was a fire on that one. A bunch of boards were charred. Oh man, just trying to keep the front end at least over the top of these. Okay, just pedal out, pedal out, pedal out, pedal out. At least that gate was open. I don't need to do that again.